Investigations in functional medicine have demonstrated the feasibility of reversing the aging process to appear 20 years younger than your chronological age. But what sets biological age apart from chronological age? Your chronological age is merely a reflection of your years lived from birth. On the flip side, your biological age is dictated by the vitality and activity of your cells, genes, and enzymes. Dr. David Furman, a distinguished Stanford University scientist, has been at the forefront of this groundbreaking research. Dr. David Furman's research focuses on the intersection of epigenetics and aging, particularly how changes in the epigenome can influence biological aging and potentially be reversed. Here are some key points about his work. Epigenetic changes and aging. Furman's studies suggest that aging is not solely driven by genetic mutations, but significantly influenced by epigenetic changes, modifications that affect gene expression without altering the gene sequence. In Dr. David Furman's study on aging and epigenetics, he divided participants into two groups based on their levels of systemic chronic inflammation, SCI. The first group consisted of individuals with high levels of SCI, while the second group included those with low levels of SCI1. This division allowed the researchers to compare the immune system's behavior and its impact on aging and age-related diseases between the two groups. By analyzing these groups, Dr. Furman aimed to identify specific biomarkers and understand how chronic inflammation contributes to conditions like cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Research on aging and epigenetics revealed that individuals with lower levels of systemic chronic inflammation, SCI, showed significant improvements in their epigenetic age compared to those with higher levels of SCI. Specifically, the group with lower SCI had epigenetic ages that were, on average, 3.5 years younger than their chronological age. This finding suggests that reducing chronic inflammation can positively impact the aging process at the epigenetic level, potentially leading to healthier aging and a lower risk of age-related diseases. The study highlights the importance of managing inflammation to promote better health and longevity. Research on aging and epigenetics has provided valuable insights into the role of systemic chronic inflammation, SCI, in age-related diseases. Dr. David Furman has highlighted that while the C-reactive protein, CRP test, is widely used as a biomarker for cardiovascular diseases, it has significant limitations. CRP is an inflammatory marker, and elevated levels indicate inflammation, which is associated with cardiovascular risk too. However, Dr. Furman points out that CRP is not specific to cardiovascular diseases and can be elevated in various inflammatory conditions. Despite its limitations, the CRP test is still commonly used by specialists because it is a relatively simple and inexpensive test that provides quick results. It serves as a general indicator of inflammation, which can be useful in conjunction with other tests and clinical assessments. Stay tuned for more information in the coming video.